Nag-umpisa na siyang magsabi sa akin ng bedtime. Kasi hindi talaga sila natutulog agad. Kahit anong takip ko, nag-iingay sila. Nakikinig sa TV. Ni Dadad. Ngayon, may fixed bedtime yan siya. 10 minutes before bedtime, oh. Nangungulit. Nakagat yung ano ko para makuha yung attention ko. It's bedtime? Yan, papat? Papat before bedtime? Come on. No? Kiss mama. Mangagat to, mangagat. Mainis na mangagat. Is my baby's bedtime? What? Tell mama, what do you want? Tell mama. What's my baby wants? Hush, hush. Hush and Gray. What's my baby wants? Dad's TV loud na. Dad's TV always loud na. What's my baby wants now? Excuse me. Is it my baby's bedtime? Oh, ready na, oh. Ready na siya, oh. Stretching for bed na. Atoy. Give mama a kiss. We're gonna go to bed. Let me loving. Good boy. One more kiss, mama. One more kiss. Going to bed na. Mama gonna get up. One more kiss. Ay, walang sound? Bakit kaya walang sound? Bedtime na my baby na. Bedtime na my baby. Yes, oy. Kisses. Good boy. Don't bite. Baby na bite mama da. I know, we're gonna go to bed. Mama's up already na. Atoy, angry pa talaga. Ay, you like to argue talaga.